Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk through how to verify a Greenlight card with Apple Pay in 2025. A quick and easy process to start using your card for mobile payments. Adding your Greenlight card to Apple Pay. 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. 2. Plus icon to add a new card. 3. Select debit or credit card and scan or manually enter your Greenlight card details. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your card information. Verifying your Greenlight card. After adding the card, Greenlight will send a verification request. Choose a method, either a text, email, or in-app verification. Enter the code received to complete the verification. Once confirmed, your Greenlight card is ready to use with Apple Pay. That's it. Now you can tap and pay with your Greenlight card anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips.